Natural remedies for joint pain relief. Struggling with stiff, achy joints? These natural remedies will bring you relief without relying on medication. Turmeric and milk. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into warm milk. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce joint pain effectively. Epsom salt soak. Add Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak your body to relax sore joints and reduce swelling. Ginger tea. Sip on ginger tea daily. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory that targets joint discomfort. Hot and cold therapy. Apply a hot pack for 20 minutes, then switch to an ice pack for another 20. This alternation improves circulation and reduces pain. Omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate fish oil or flax seeds into your diet to naturally reduce inflammation. Enjoying these tips? Subscribe to our channel for more remedies to keep you feeling your best. Bonus tip: mix olive oil with a few drops of eucalyptus oil for a soothing joint massage. It works like magic.